Avian. The next energies that are feeling the bird people, the winged, the bird people. You ask, where do the birds go? Where do the birds go? Of course they have portals. Of course they have portals. They can move between the invisible and visible realms. The birds themselves on earth can move between the visible and invisible realms, each with a different energy and embodiment of flight. But important that we focus on this concept, again, this thread of moving between realms, penetrating between realms. The bird people do it in a different way, the birds and the bird people. And this is through the wisdom of flight. This is through the wisdom of wings and the expansion that they provide structures. Allowing an expansion in perspective, allowing an expansion of embodiment. Even birds that appear to be flightless, the wings have a purpose. Providing an expansion of their embodiment, an expansion of their energetic alignment. It widens perspective, expands perspective. Again, even if that does not happen in a vertiginous way, it happens in an energetic way through the alignment of wings. The wings providing an expansion of the front of the heart, the back of the heart, the front of the heart, the heart to the back of the heart, the front of the heart, the back of the heart, the front of the heart, the back of the heart. Truly, the frequency of the heart is opened and opened and opened with wings. The frequency of the heart expands, expands, expands with wings, with the action of wings. And this energy expands. Connection to heart. Front of the heart, back of the heart, all aspects of the heart. The house of spirit. The house of love. The house of compassion. Compassion, 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 compassion. Allowing these waves of love and compassion to expand within the self, within the self, within the self, within the self. Self-love is wave upon never-ending wave of self-love, of unconditional love. And from this place, this eternal wellspring within the heart, the winged expansion allows this love, this compassion to spread out beyond the self, to spread out beyond the self, allowing connectivity with others, allowing an expansion in perspective, both horizontally and vertically. Allows one to infuse love through the self, and through the surroundings and each moment, through beingness, through the magic of the connection with your wings. Atsanse akara uyakaharo uim. Atsatse akaro. Oh.